Once again, we're using our Applewood dealership and the data that they have on the ages of their buyers. This time we're going to create a stem and leaf display. We're going to use Megastat again. Going and use our descriptive statistics. Select our input range. We don't want these because they'll clutter up our output. And then we click on stem and leaf plot. We hit OK. And there you have it. Now what's kind of confusing a little bit is it's all compressed, so the best thing to do is spread out the cells so that they fit, and you can move it over a little bit like this as well so that you don't get confused with the frequency numbers and the stem numbers. Just little tips that might be a little bit helpful for you. Now, what is the advantage of the stem and leaf over, say, a frequency distribution? Well, here you don't lose any of the values. They're not lost as you see in the frequency distribution. Let's go ahead and do a quick frequency distribution. This time we'll leave the output up. See, we still have the output window, so that Megastat will put the data below that. This time, oops, we get a frequency distribution. It's not in the descriptives area. So we'll just throw in a histogram, a polygram, and an ogive just for giggles. Hit output. Now, you'll notice we have our classes here, and we know that there were 6 people who were in the age of 25 up to 30. And then we see the different ranges as well, but we can't tell exactly just from the frequency distribution whether somebody was 20. We had all of 6 of those could have been 25, all of them could have been 29, could be any mix thereof. Same type of thing in the histogram. We lose the individual data perspective with the frequency polygon, same thing, and then the cumulative frequency distribution is the same thing. So if we scroll back up, though, we can see we had one person that was 25, one person who was 26, 2 people who were 28, and 2 people who were 29. So you get a little bit more clarity over the stem and leaf, over the frequency distribution with the stem and leaf.